Sometimes in WhatsApp, you might have created sticker packs. This means if you like certain stickers, you can add them to a group called a WhatsApp sticker pack. Then, you can easily select those stickers later. But sometimes, you may want to delete a sticker pack. In this video, we'll show you how to delete a sticker pack in WhatsApp. To do this, open WhatsApp. Next, select any contact. For example, I'm selecting this contact. Then, down here, you'll see the stickers option. Tap on stickers. Once you do, you'll see your stickers. If you want to delete a sticker pack, just tap the edit button. Over here, you'll see a pencil-like button. Tap on that. When you do, you'll see all your sticker packs. Here's one sticker pack I created. If you want to delete it, you'll notice 3 dots next to it. Tap those 3 dots, and you'll see a remove option. Tap on remove. When you tap that, you'll see a pop-up message like this. Tap on remove. Once you do, that sticker pack will be gone. That's how you can easily remove sticker packs from WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.